Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today what I want to show you how to do is chicken enchiladas with the red enchilada sauce. So to begin, what I have here is 2 pieces of chicken breasts, and over here I have half a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of the mix of Cajun spice seasoning. And here in this spice, it includes dehydrated garlic, spices, salt, and paprika, onion, and red pepper, which is perfect. Or you can use those items individually, paprika, garlic, and everything else individually. So, in addition to that, you want to add a teaspoon of the garlic, or half a tablespoon. It's definitely your preference, but it has its flavor. And 1/4 of an onion, and a Serrano pepper, a small Serrano pepper, or half of a larger one. It's definitely up to your spice preference. So let's go ahead and get started. What I want to do is add in my chicken. And this pot is already boiling at this point to medium to high heat. Now to my chicken, I want to add all of my ingredients. And this will boil until it's done, so about 15 to 20 minutes is what I'll give this to go ahead and cook thoroughly before I go in and shred it. We are ready to turn our chicken around. At this point, I'm ready to go ahead and fry my tortillas. As you can find the Latin section at a regular supermarket, but I'm just using the yellow corn tortillas. And this, I do have at a medium-high heat. So just be frying 3 at a time. And once they're semi-crispy, you can go ahead and flip. Just enough so they don't get loose in the enchilada sauce. After cooking my chicken for roughly 25 minutes, this is what it should look once I shred it. And what I did was add in a teaspoon more paprika, just because I like it with an additional kick. So these you want to drain that juice as much as possible so it doesn't make your tortilla soggy. On my last enchilada, and we are ready to add in the enchilada sauce. I did go ahead and set the oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to set these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, at this point I'm ready to go in with the enchilada sauce. And this is about 1 full can of it. And you can purchase any brand. Usually when I use the red sauce, I go with the blended Monterey Jack, the cheddar quesadilla cheese. And when I go and use the green enchilada sauce, I'll do the opposite. I'll use just the queso quesadilla white cheese. But you know, your possibilities are endless. You can do what works for you. To top these off, I do want to add in the green onion, but that I'll add in at the very end. These I'm just going in between. And there you have it. 15 minutes later, our delicious enchiladas are ready. I hope you do try these at home. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future recipes and videos. Thanks for watching again. Stay safe.